Hi guys, how you going? Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new, welcome. So today we're going to be doing a video on the King's Smart Isolator. So I've got a dual battery setup here. Actually, I've got 3 batteries. And if you want to see my complete setup, again, go back to the channel. There's a complete video on the whole kit and caboodle. But what I'll take you through today is if you just want to run a dual battery, okay? So I've been running this King's Smart Battery Isolator for well over 12 months now, and yeah, she's worked exceptionally well for me. It's done everything I needed it to do. One of the things you need to be mindful of with this Smart Isolator is that it does not work with a smart alternator, okay, or a temperature sensing alternator. Be very mindful of this. It will not work. So it says it clearly in the instructions and the specifications that come with it. Yeah, I'm fortunate. I've got a 2009 NT Pajero, and I double checked with Mitsubishi. They popped in my rego. I do not have a smart alternator, so bonus for me. All right, and the whole purpose of this is if you're running the 2 batteries with the secondary battery, if you did not have a smart isolator and you had these both connected up in parallel, what would happen is as you were draining this battery, you would be draining your starter battery at the same time. So the idea is to put a division in between the 2 so that when you're actually driving the vehicle, the alternator charges this battery and this battery. But when this battery gets full, it stops charging it and it doesn't overcharge it and ruin your battery. And also, when the car is stationary and the alternator is not working, what the Smart Isolator does is when you've got stuff plugged into this battery, it stops this battery discharging, okay? So very important. It's worked flawlessly, no issues at all. Yeah, it's a very simple installation and I've had no issues with it at all. Now that I've had it for some time, if I've actually flattened this battery, not because of this or the smart alternator, because I've left lights on or whatever, and I've flattened this battery, I've often actually then used this to then jump start this battery, okay? But what I would like, and if you guys can point me out to one, I'd love a smart isolator that actually had a jump start function. That would be amazing. So I've seen some, you can hop under the bonnet, press a button or flick a switch, and then it will just automatically jump start off the second battery. And I've even seen some which have been wired up inside the vehicle, and you press a button inside the vehicle and it will automatically jump start off this battery to that one. If you know anything like that, any recommendations, let us know. Otherwise, for a basic smart isolator, it does the job. So yeah. All right guys, now I'm running my dual battery under the bonnet. There's no reason why this main cable, which is running from this smart isolator, doesn't run to the rear of the vehicle and then you have it connected to a battery in the rear, or simply an Anderson plug that plugs into a battery box, okay? That's no issues at all. This is the way I've got mine set up. And again, in the back of mine, I've got another 3rd battery, but that's connected with a DC to DC charger, all right? So I'm not trying to complicate things here. So let's just talk about this dual system, because if you wanted then some smarts in relation to this second battery, the next evolution from the isolator is a DC to DC charger, okay? Now, you've got to be mindful with DC to DC chargers, you need to find one that can be mounted under the bonnet, okay? Whereas the DC to DC charger I'm running cannot be mounted under the bonnet, hence it's in the rear of the vehicle, and again, that's for the 3rd battery. And again, same for the secondary battery here. You've got to make sure that it can be run under the bonnet, all right? This one can, not an issue, but certain deep cycle batteries cannot be run under the bonnet. So be very careful. All right, let's keep moving. All right, nice, simple and quick one today. I'll see you in the next video. And if you like what you're hearing and seeing, give us a thumbs up and go to the channel. There's heaps of content on there. Go check it out. All right, I've got a few more projects underway. I'm going to move on to those. All right, cheers guys. Bye.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late.